Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing power and data. Charge above 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so downloads don't fail. Once done, back up your photos, contacts, and any important app data to cloud or PC. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, tap About or System, then System Update. If an over-the-air update is available, tap Download. This first actionable step starts the official update safely and avoids sideload risks. You should let the update download completely before taking the next step. Partial downloads can corrupt installation. Make sure the phone is plugged in and storage is sufficient. Delete or move large files if needed so the installer can unpack. If no OTA appears, connect your device to the manufacturer's PC Updater tool and follow its prompts to download firmware. This is still easy and often more reliable. While installing, avoid interrupting power or closing the updater to prevent bricking. You now tap Install and allow the phone to reboot. Updates take several minutes and may reboot multiple times, so be patient. Once finished, check Settings About to confirm the new Android version and restore any backed up data as necessary. If the device fails to boot or is unstable, try wiping the system cache from recovery or boot into safe mode to uninstall a problematic app. If issues persist, use the manufacturer's recovery tool on a PC as a last resort. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves boot problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.